Hi guys, this is Nubia Z50 Ultra and it is best camera smartphone. Today we are going to review it. Let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box, first thing is smartphone. Afterward, there is another box in which you will find one SIM ejector tool and one transparent back case as well. That is very good looking. Afterward, there is another box in which you will find one USB Type-C to Type-C cable and one 80-watt USB Type-C charger as well. So this is the box content. Now we are going to discuss smartphone, but before that, don't forget to press the subscribe button and like. Moving on to the design, you will notice that back of phone features 3 big camera rings and with that there is one flashlight as well. So overall back is flat, and if you look at right side you will find a LED slider that you can customize according to your needs. Below that there is volume rockers and power button as well. If we talk about in-hand feel, its weight is around 228 gram and thickness is also very high, so your in-hand feel is not going to be comfortable. But the advantage is that such a design is unique and you can recognize the phone even from 5 meters away that this is Nubia Z50 Ultra. Moving on to the display, the Nubia Z50 Ultra boasts a stunning 6.8 inches Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 1 billion colors, and for clear visual experience you will find HDR10 Plus support as well. You will also find 120Hz refresh rate for your smooth user experience, and you can easily use this display in outdoor as well because it is giving you 1500 nits peak brightness, which means you can expect vibrant and clear visual. The screen to body ratio is 86%, so bezels are little bit thicker, but overall display you can say it is value for money, but I think there should be 2K resolution instead of full HD resolution. Now we are going to talk about performance of smartphone. Here you will find Android 13 out of the box and it's powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, which is the top of the line processor. The phone also has an octa-core 3.2 GHz clock speed and Adreno 740 graphics for gaming as well. Talking about gaming experience, if you will select high frame rate, temperature will be high, but on the other side if you will select balance mode, in this mode temperature will be lower but the maximum FPS will be logged at 50. So you can choose a high frame rate and high temperature or a low frame rate and low temperature. Now let's talk about the camera, one of the most exciting feature of Nubia Z50 Ultra. The phone has a triple camera setup at the back consisting of 64 megapixel primary camera, 64 megapixel pre-scope telephoto lens and 50 megapixel ultra wide camera as well. The first thing that impressed about the Z50 Ultra camera was its stability. It gives you a very good photo no matter what the environment is or the time of the day. The image quality is very good. You will find vibrant color, great clarity and good dynamic range as well. And it's not just the main camera that performs so well. All 3 lenses are that much good, and this is rare because most phones perform well with only the main camera. About video recording, you can do 8K video recording on 30 FPS and this is 10-bit video recording, that is very good. And moving to the front, you will find 60 megapixel selfie camera as well that can record only 1080p on 30 FPS. Now we are going to talk about connectivity. Here you will find Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, infrared port as well, but here you will not find any radio and 3.5mm jack as well. Now we are going to discuss last part of smartphone, that is battery. Here you will find 5000 mAh battery that you can easily use for 1.5 days. About fast charging, you will find 80-watt fast charging, but there is no wireless charging. I think there should be some wireless charging as well. If we conclude our complete review, this smartphone is completely value for money. Its performance, camera, everything is very good, but there are some weakness in this display. So in this price range you can check out Redmi K60 Pro and Xiaomi 12 Pro as well, that are also giving you very good specification as well. And at the last, if you like this video, press the like button, otherwise press the dislike button and don't forget to press the subscribe button. Allah.